Alright guys, so in my previous video, I showed you guys how to install Swiss on the Nintendo Wii. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add and load cheats in Swiss. Now this method is going to work for the Gamecube and the Nintendo Wii using the SD Gecko. So I'm going to be leaving you all the links you're going to need in the pinned comment of this video. So one's going to be for my previous video on how to install Swiss. One will be for my page. And one will be for the cheats download page, gamehacking.org. So scroll down on the page until you find the wallpaper of the video. There's going to be the link. There's going to be instructions if you guys want to read through it. Now for the gamehacking.org website, go over to the code section. Scroll down to the Nintendo section. Scroll over to the GameCube section. Click on that. Now you're going to select your game. So today's example, I'm going to be using Mario Kart Double Dash. So go to M. You're going to find the game and the region. So Mario Kart Double Dash USA. So click on that. So this is going to give you the language, the game size, region, and serial. This is also the title ID, which we're going to need. Now scroll over to the format section. Scroll down to the plain text.txt. Click on that. Click on the checked. Make sure that the file name is correct. So Mario Kart Double Dash USA. Now you're going to scroll down to the code section. So you're going to have different codes. So aspect ratio codes, character modifiers, item codes. Use only one set of jump codes at a time. So you're going to click one of these. So for today's example, I'm going to be selecting item codes. So click on that. So I'm just going to pick one of the first ones. So item always banana. I'll show you what this means once we get into the gameplay. So select that. Go up to the download button. Click download. It's going to create a text file. Now we're going to have to rename this file with the title ID. So just copy this. Go over to the file and then rename it just like that. Now we're going to go into the file. Now this is the structure it's got to be in. So you're going to need to put the brackets in between the title ID and then the name of the game and then your region. And then all your cheats will be on this page. So my only cheat is item always banana and it'll have the code. Once you have everything configured in here, you're going to have to save it. So go to File, Save, and then you're done. Now you can exit. Now I'm going to show you what the SD card is going to look like with all the files. So double click. So Apps folder. For my previous video, I had the preloader, Swiss, Wii Mod Lite. Games. This is where you put your games in .iso format. So Mario Kart Double Dash. Swiss. This is where you're going to create the cheats folder. So you're going to double click, create a cheats folder, and this is where all your cheats go. So title ID and then .txt. Every single cheat has to be in this format. And there's also a WADs with the Simios WAD. So that is the setup for the SD card. Now we're going to get over on the Nintendo Wii or the GameCube. And I'm going to show you guys how to load the cheats. So I'm just going to be using the Wii for this. So I'm just going to use my Wii remote. So we're going to load up the homebrew channel. Start it up. Now we're going to load up Swiss. So Wii Swiss Booter. So press A on that. We're going to load it. Now you no longer need your Wii remote. We're just going to use the GameCube controller. So this is going to be the exact same process if you're on your GameCube. So there's my game, Mario Kart Double Dash. Now all you got to do is select your game. Press A. Now it's going to give you an option on the bottom for cheats. So X is settings, Y is cheats, B is exit, and A is boot. So we're going to click the Y button. This is going to show all your cheats. If you have more than one, you can select them all if you want. So you can just select it with A. So item always banana is checked. Now press B to go back once you checked all your cheats. Now we're just going to boot the game by pressing A. Now I'm just going to show a little bit of gameplay until I actually use the cheat. So right here, this is going to be the items. It'll always be a banana. So it looks like the cheat's working. There you go. There's the banana. Show you one more time. So there you go. Looks like this cheat is working. Now we're going to exit. So we're going to press the Z button, the A button, and the start button, which will take us back to Swiss. So there you go, guys. That's how you load up your cheats. So like I said, you can use the Gamecube or the Wii. It works exactly the same as long as you're using the SD Gecko. I'm going to leave you all the links you're going to need in the pinned comment of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And on to the next one.